Hi, my name's Andrew, and I go to the Ramaz Upper School. I'm going to be a sophomore next year. I built a wireless power meter, which measures the power being used and transmits that to an Arduino, which then transmits that to a remote web server, which you can view from anywhere. There are a few important components to my project, which I'll take you through right now. Here's the store-bought kilowatt, which is a power meter, which can display the volts, amps, watts, volt amps, and power factor. And I opened it up and inside put a small XB wireless module, which I configured to be a transmitter. That is taking the data directly from the analog to digital converter chip inside the kilowatt and sending it to the XB wireless module here, which I set up to be a receiver. That then feeds into the Arduino, where I have software running to actually look through all the numbers being received, take out the numbers we actually need, and then do calculations to convert the digital ADC values to actual volt and amps values and get the power values from that also. Furthermore, the Arduino then acts as a web client to send that over the internet to this website called cosm.com, which then graphs the data being received. Here you can see just the fact that we're receiving requests from the Arduino over internet, and if you go here, you can actually see the graphs and see the current values for everything. And this can be accessed from anywhere in the world as it's over the internet. My favorite part of the BlueStamp engineering program was that we were able to build what we want to build with support from amazing instructors. My favorite part of my project was when I had it all set up and left it on overnight for the first time, and when I woke up in the morning, the data was still being transmitted like it should. The part of my project that gave me the most difficulty was working with the XB wireless modules, because at one point they just seemed to die, and I had to figure out a way to get them back to life. My next steps are probably going to be to add more support for multiple transmitters, and perhaps see if I can get around some of the limitations and make the data more accurate.